crafty friends, it's Tiffany from Totally Tiffany, and I am so excited to give you just the facts on our brand new Triangle Traveler bag. So the Triangle Traveler is going to come in all 4 Totally Tiffany signature colors: pink, purple, black, and turquoise. It has a little toggle pull cord on the back. I'm going to show you, and the handle on the top. It is about a 6-inch triangle when it's in triangle form like this. It's 9 inches across, and when you open it up, it's going to extend out, which is why that toggle's there, just somewhere between 10 or 11 inches, depending on how much stuff you have stored in it. Inside, you are going to find that there are 3 pouches, 4 inches tall, 5 inches tall, and 6 inches tall. They are all 7.5 inches wide. They all have the zipper closure at the top. Now the toggle in the back is how you get your Triangle Traveler bag to lean open just the right amount. You just tighten that up and it's going to hold up the bag to whatever height you want. Again, it's going to be based on what's on the inside. You've got that loop fabric all on the bottom, and then you've got the 4 cylindrical pockets on the back, and those are perfect for tool storage. So, because this is just a facts video, those are just the facts. If you want to learn more about the Triangle Traveler bag, be sure you tune into the next video, which is a bazillion ways to use the Triangle Traveler. And if you're watching this on YouTube, or even if you're watching it somewhere else, maybe you want to hop over to YouTube and subscribe to the Totally Tiffany channel. Make sure you like and hit the bell button for the video. Once you hit the bell, you're going to get notifications every time we introduce a new product or introduce a new organization video, so you'll be in the loop with everything that's happening at Totally Tiffany. We also try to add to the YouTube video, so right up in the corner, the little international symbol for information, that little I in the circle, and if you click on that, you're going to get a drop down with links that'll take you directly to the website where you can get more information or shop for your Triangle Traveler bag or other Totally Tiffany products. So thanks so much for tuning in. If you want to learn more, click on the bazillion ways to use the Triangle Traveler bag. Thanks for tuning in.